Hi students, coming to the next topic, that is a cross compiler. So we all know that the compiler is nothing but it is a converting of high level language into low level language. So what the cross compiler is? A cross compiler is a type of a compiler. So it is also a type of one of the type of the compiler. Then what it is doing? That generates a machine code targeted to run on a system different than the one generating it. So what it means? That generates machine code targeted to run on a system different than the one generating it. Let's see the example, then you'll understand what this concept was. A compiler that runs on Windows platform. Let's take yours the Windows platform operating system. A compiler that runs on Windows platform also generate a code that runs on Linux platform is called a cross compiler. Now again read that. So a compiler that generates a machine code target, that is in the Windows platform, to run on a system different than the one generating it. So it is generates a code that runs on Windows platform as well as on Linux platform. That you can use on the Linux platform. That is a cross compiler. A compiler that runs on a Windows platform also generates a code that runs on a Linux platform is a cross compiler. So the process of creating executable code for different machines, you call it as a retargeting. So this is one process. That's process of creating executable code for different machines. The compiler is going to create an executable code that will run on different platforms. That you call it as a retargeting. So finally, what you see, the cross compiler is also known as retargetable compiler. So what you see, that cross compiler is also known as retargetable compiler. Why we are saying it is retargetable compiler? Because the process of creating the compiler that is creating executable code for different machines. So that's why we call it as a retargetable compiler. The example for the cross compiler is GNU GCC. The GNU GCC compiler is an example for the cross compiler. Let's see the cross compiler operation. So here is a host machine and the target machine. So the compiler, what exactly our operation cross compiler will do? A compiler that runs on a Windows platform. Let's take this machine as a Windows platform. Windows platform. Okay. So the compiler that runs on a Windows platform generate a code that is going to generate a code that runs on the Linux platform. That is cross compiler. So here the host machine is the Windows and here the target machine is the Linux. So you are generating a code here, okay, but the execution process is working on the target machine. So host machine consisting of the cross compiler. So with the help of the cross compiler only, you can execute these Windows platform program in another platform, that is a target machine, which is a Linux platform. So here the cross. So first the source code I have written the program, that is a source code in my Windows platform. With the help of the cross compiler, I am executing my source code in the Linux platform. That is a target compatible binary. So this cross compiler is converting my source code into the target compatible binary numbers. Okay. So this is about the cross compiler operation. Thank you.